I recorded the robot's footsteps with the Sneakers Forest preset in Krotos Studio, which is as simple as clicking in the XY pad and dragging them to the timeline. I then positioned these in time with the robot's footsteps and duplicated them. For ambience, I used the Countryside preset, I found a sweet spot on the XY pads and I let this run for the length of the animation. I then dragged it onto the timeline, put it into place and trimmed it to size. Next I used the prison door preset for some clunky metallic foley. I then dragged these sounds onto the timeline, cut it up with the razor tool in Adobe Audition and placed them within the scene. With the essential sounds in place, now it's time to add some character. The Cartoon Squeaks preset adds some playful buzzing and squeaking. The Toon Power Up preset was used for the robot's celebration. The Acme Whistle preset was used when the robot spins. I used one of the vibration presets for the robot's error message, and I used the Starship Ambience preset just to add some more robotic character and details. And here's the end result.